I don't have. He looks like he's got a thing on his roof, so I would just jump over into one line. Because it's all one lane too, Sharon. So, wow, all kinds of used cars.
Wow. I thought they were in demand.
Well, I guess not. A bunch of Jeeps in the back too. Yellow, blue, green. Wow. What was here? McDonald's?
Yeah.
Closed for remodeling. Yeah, I guess so. Destroyed and built back up again.
That won't be done by November.
No. Is that what it says? November?
Yeah.
Well, there's probably not enough people on it. It could be. Wow.
Oh, they're building a whole new thing.
Yeah, everything. All right. We get the red light, but we can go.
Yeah.
Oh, so there's no. Oh, it's two ways all the way. It's just have to slow down and wait in line till they get.
Yikes.
Yeah, really. Hmm. Well, well, well. Look at the traffic coming out of Yukon.
I don't think we're going to be coming back this way.
Well, let's go across the bridge. We'll get something in town. Yeah, that'll be a little bit better, honey. Instead of getting stuck in traffic, because that's the only way back to where we, Applebee's. Way